This is the review and unboxing of ThreadCrate's August Crate for Men. Inside this box is everything needed to complete the monthly sewing project. This month is a polo shirt. First thing you come across are 3 inserts. The first gives you ThreadCrate social media information, along with suggestions to take before and after photos to show off your project. Next is a list of the contents of this box. This month's box contains viscose fabric, Gutermann thread, an appropriate needle for the fabric, a bag of buttons, sewing clips, a measuring gauge, and ceramic mug. This third insert you're not going to see. It's instructions on how to download a copy of the included pattern. Here is the actual printed pattern. It is printed on A0 sized paper. This is the exact same pattern you can download. They do give you the option of swapping the printed pattern for the downloaded pattern only. In place, you get extra fabric, I believe. Here is where this particular pattern comes from, Sinclair Patterns. And a fabric swatch card. This is a piece of lightweight interfacing for the collars. Definitely more than you will need for one shirt. Always good to have a little extra, just in case you screw up or decide to make more. In this small bag is the piece of fabric. There are several yards included, anywhere, I believe, 3 to 4 yards of fabric. Each month you are given a choice of 4 different colors of fabric, and you choose your preferences from 1 to 4, which one you like the best, which one you like the least, and they try to accommodate based on what they have available. Remember, this is going out to multiple people at the same time. And this bag is the buttons. Tons of different buttons there, you can see. Plus the spool of thread right there. There's the needle that they include for that particular fabric. There's clips in there also, in case you do not have any or would like more. There are several different styles of buttons in there too. And then this is marking gauge and the ceramic mug are the extras for the August box. ThreadCrate usually tries to include little extras to make either life easier, like the marking gauge, or something a little fun, like the ceramic mug with the scissors handle on it. Now, this is the first box that I have received from ThreadCrate. This is the August 2021 box for men from ThreadCrate. I will say that it was a rough start for this crate for me. There was some major delays since it was being shipped out of Florida. there is mass illness down there, plus a hurricane. Uh, so a lot of people's August crates were lost. So the lady that runs ThreadCrate, Cassandra, had to reorder all of the materials and get all of the patterns reprinted and repackage all of the boxes that were lost and reship them. But she did reship all of them at no extra cost. So she did pay and buy basically 2 boxes worth for a good majority of the members. So far, I'm happy with what I received. Um, the communications have been good. I have to say that some of the crates I have received in the past from other companies, I've received dog toys, guitar stuff. My wife receives cosmetics, clothes, stuff like that. This is one of the crates that uh, they actually communicate on a fairly regular basis, at least once a week. I have an email from them, and there is also a Facebook group, and they also are creating their own online forum. So I'm fairly happy with the communication and the community that they're building for this particular crate. Um, Now this is one of the only sewing packages that I've found that has a mail option, and as such, I will be doing an unboxing every month so that some of the other male sewers out there, male tailors, I really don't know what you want to call yourselves. I sew. I'm a guy. So that they can see what is out there, and so that they can compare when they find other options. They can see what this is. They can see what the others look like, and make their choice based on that. I'm not going to give pricing. That is up to you to find out through ThreadCrate. That way, in case they decide to increase or decrease their price, or if shipping becomes an issue and they have to increase shipping because they move from one shipper to another, I'm not going to place that on them. So, if you're interested, take a look at them. I will be doing this again next month.